A truly enlightening day on the trail. Welcome to Ponferrada. It's actually the morning of day 24. At the end of day 23, when I planned to film this, a big, dirty, great storm blew through and we had to scurry to get our laundry off of the clothesline. So yeah, not much filming unfortunately. But it's good to do it this morning actually, because it's a beautiful crisp morning and I'm keen as a bean to get walking. Because yesterday was long, it was hot, it was draining, and by the time we made it here, we were all pretty much ready to collapse after a scorching day. Lots of downhill slopes, which are often harder than the uphill ones because it tests your shins, it tests your knees. So yeah, we were very happy to put our feet up as soon as we arrived here at the beautiful Donativo alberga. Beautiful hospitality as always. And yesterday it was my time to cook, so I'd mooched off the others for 23 days. So yesterday was my avocado pasta special, which even the resident Italian said that she liked. So if that's not a seal of approval, then nothing is. So yesterday saw the best sunrise that I had witnessed so far on the Camino. It wasn't a particularly clear morning, but the clouds added so much atmosphere en route to the loftiest point of the Camino, the Cruz de Ferro, where we were encouraged to drop our burdens. So at the beginning of the trail we carried stones, small little stones in our bags that represented all of the burdens that we'd been carrying. And when I arrived at the site, there was an enormous pile of burdens. Yeah, it was mammoth, to be perfectly honest. I wasn't sure what to expect, but obviously the world is carrying quite a bit of sorrow in its hearts. So it was an emotional day for a lot of people. Not just drained by the weather and the terrain, but by the emotional state of having finally released so many of their burdens. So after such an exhausting morning, we decided to take a little bit of an extra lunch break at the beautiful village of Molina Seca, where there were children playing in the river. There was a beautiful bridge. We sat on the grass and enjoyed the hospitality of the local restaurant. It was very tough to leave there, I'll be honest. Pretty tired in a lot of different ways. And now I have to start the next day, and the next one, and the next one. But we have only just a tick over 200 kilometers left until we arrive in Santiago. So if we really cruise, it can be done in less than a week. But I'm not sure that's going to happen because the steam is starting to come out of the tires somewhat. But I'm hoping that I get that energy kick that I did a couple of days ago when I clambered up the mountain, because that was invigorating. And I know we've got a few hefty slopes yet still to climb before we arrive in Santiago. Alright, I'm going to start the day's journey. Talk to you later. Catch ya.